Assalamu alaikum friends, it's me Dr. Salman Khan. I hope so you all are doing great. Who is new in the channel, kindly do subscribe to the channel and like this video and do comment me. Today's video is about how to insert the contact lens. So this video is for the new beginners and already you are using the contact lenses. Always my patient they ask me how we can insert the contact lens by ourselves. They don't want someone help, so I will teach you how you can do it independently and you can insert the contact lens by yourself. So first thing is, first you will wash your hands, it's must, not with the dirty hands. So first you will just wash your hands with the soap, like this, your nails, everything should be clear. After washing the hands, completely make it dry. You make it full dry. So this is the contact lens, and you open, put it in your palm, and you take it with the index finger like this. And then you will look into the mirror. With this finger you will make it up, this one down, and simply you will pinch on the corner. So this is how we insert the contact lens in the corner. So how to insert the contact lens? So first when you open this one, the contact lens, you will take it in the palm. After washing the hands and everything clear, then you will take it with the index finger with up. So this is how we insert the contact lens. See, you will just open your lid with this finger like this. Simply you can pinch on the corner. Now I will teach you how to remove the contact lens by yourselves. So this is how we will remove the contact lens. So this was just a tutorial for the new beginners how to insert the contact lens and how to remove it back. So I hope so you liked today's video, hit the like and do subscribe the channel. Inshallah we'll see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.